Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can make a story on Pinterest. So unlike Instagram, the Pinterest application option for story is called idea pin. So in order to create it, or film it, record it, or even upload your own video, from the camera roll, just tap at the create option over here, then go for the idea pin variant. Then depending on what kind of idea you would like to create, you can either film an idea or story from scratch by using the camera on your device, or you can add some video or respective picture from your gallery, but in this case I'll show how you can use the camera for it. So in here you can either take a photo or record a video. So I'll quickly record a video myself. Then click next button over here, preview your video, see whether you like the result. You can write some text over. You can also apply some music if you would like to. You can also make an audio record on top of your existing video, voiceover I mean, apply stickers, maybe draw something if you would like to, or use a filter. And once you're ready to post your idea pin or story, just click next over here. You can also edit or add some details, pick the board that it will be saved to, tag related topics, and turn on or off the comment, allow or disallow the people to leave their comments under your story. Now you can just go ahead and publish, and here you have it. All the idea pins that you have created are stored into the created section of your profile over here. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.